Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp tempura roll, full guide. Heat vegetable oil to 350 degrees F and whisk a cold batter with ice water and flour immediately after mixing to keep it light. Prepare sushi rice seasoned with rice vinegar and cool it to room temperature. Lay nori on a bamboo mat, spread rice thinly, add tempura shrimp and fillings, then roll firmly and slice with a sharp, wet knife. Begin by using ice-cold water and do not overmix the batter so it stays lumpy and aerated for crispness. Use medium-high oil at 350 degrees F and fry shrimp quickly, about 2 to 3 minutes until golden and cooked through. Drain on a wire rack rather than paper to maintain texture. Let tempura rest briefly before assembling so moisture evaporates, keeping the roll crunchy and clean when sliced. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated in the kitchen with the Owala water bottle, which keeps drinks cold, fits in most cup holders, and is easy to clean. It's handy when you're frying at high heat. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for considering that little tip. Now let's get back to the video. Place nori shiny side down and spread a thin, even layer of rice, leaving a clean edge for sealing the roll. Arrange tempura shrimp and fillings centrally, then use a bamboo mat to roll firmly and evenly, compressing layers just enough to hold shape. Chill the roll briefly to set, then slice with a sharp, damp knife using a single smooth motion for clean cuts. Serve immediately with soy, pickled ginger, and wasabi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.